Did you ever do those activities when you were a kid where you had to look at an image and figure out what didn't belong, like what was unusual in the image that really didn't belong with everything else? Well, I hope you figured out that I have a pillow in the kitchen, but it may not be that unusual because food affects sleep. I'm Dr. Vickie, host of Healthy Looks Great on You, a lifestyle medicine podcast, and I'm here to talk about food as sleep medicine. And specifically, I'm going to talk about my meatball recipe. Now, lifestyle medicine recommends plant-based, so these meatballs don't actually have any meat in them, but hold up. My husband loves a burger and hot dog as much as anyone, and he thinks these meatballs are delicious. I start with some roasted mushrooms, black beans, walnuts. They have a lot of magnesium in them. You need that magnesium. You need protein that builds up the gut microbiome so that your body can make serotonin. It's the precursor to melatonin. And tart cherries have melatonin in them. So these meatballs are going to be topped with a tart cherry sauce. So we roll them up into meatballs. We put them into a skillet and let those brown a little bit. Then we put them on a baking dish and cook them in the oven for 25 minutes, all while we're heating up some tart cherries with a few other ingredients. Would you like to know what those ingredients are? Because I have created something very special for you. It's called Food as Sleep Medicine, and it's a little collection of recipes that you can get completely free. But I'm giving it away as part of my free live masterclass, which is called Everything You're Doing to Sleep Better is Keeping You Awake. You will not want to miss this if you are struggling with insomnia. So sign up today for this free live masterclass on my website, healthylooksgreatonyou.com, and you'll get a collection of recipes that will help you sleep. So go to my website, grab your seat, eat your meatballs, fluff your pillow, sweet dreams. I'll see you in the masterclass.